Hey guys, oh my god. I can't believe I'm going to Dance Moms. OMG guys, I'm actually going to Dance Moms. Now let's go. Let's go try. Go. I got Dance Moms. OMG. Woman. Voice. What? Oh my god. Let's get inside this room first. Why can't I? Oh my god. Oh my god, I'm a dance mom. OMG, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Dancers then? Whoa. Studio B? Whoa. Ew. What? Go to the... Oh my god. Bleh. What? First position, second position, third position, fourth position, fifth position, grand jetted pile, Evan, attitude. Oh my god, I can't believe it. Collection. Oh my. You mean you? Hi? Okay. I'll be dressing up. Come on. We're gonna dress up. Ew, no. Excuse me? Probably you. Do you even have Robux? Ew, no. You mean you? How about you? Look at you. I am sorry for the people. Hi, you're ugly. Hi. No? Oh my god, that person is so... I look prettier. Okay, so what? Get out if you just bully. Oh my god, she keeps on bullying me. Ugh, whatever. Bully. I don't care. You are if you do that. I am. The hurt. Oh my god. Okay. People make mistakes. Your mom made a big. I don't care. So what? Oh my god, that girl is literally... People making... Oh my god. Go to your house at Goodwill. What? You're such a bully. Why do bullies is the only one who does Hey, go to your house and go. Studio. Oh my god. Shut up. Oh my god, that girl is literally just disgusting. Why did she bully people? Bullying people isn't nice. And isn't nice to do that because loser gamer. Haha, Lena. At least my mom wanted me. Well, look at you. Or she literally makes fun of everyone. Go, no, ew. Trash, go to trash. If you keep saying that, get out, Dory Spam. If you keep saying that, get out, Dory Spam. Okay, you're going to. Okay. Going with me. No, you said I'm ugly at first. No, you just said I'm ugly at first. Well, bet. Well, bet you can't even. No, you did, stupid. No, I didn't. No, I didn't. She private chat me. Me. She private chatted me. She. Oh my god, guys. This girl is her rat. You're such a rat. Oh my god, shut up. Get out of our way. Get out, Dory Spams. I bet. Guys, let's dance. No, we're not gonna dance unless this person freaking. Oh my god, okay. Guys, report Dory Spam for cyberbullying. Guys, report. She's literally saying I'm ugly. Report him until 10 reports and done. Auditioned Studio A. I don't care. Stop. But she's just jealous. I know, right? I know, right? I'm actually wreck for real. I'm actually wreck for real. Haha. I'll post it right now. Ha! I'll post it right now. It's a prank. That's why you're a noob. Oh my god. She's lying. She's just jealous. Nope. Check mine. It's Let's take mine. Sorry. Yes, I will.